And whole brain training is about 5 areas of our brain, starting with our sensory and motor skills to our auditory skills, our visual skills, and our focus and attention. Okay, and then the 5th area is our social and emotional part of the brain. So those 5 areas make up the 5 pillars of the brain, so to speak. I like to kind of describe them as 5 towns. So if you were in Malaysia, you can say we've got Malacca, KL, Ipoh, Penang, right? And these are all parts of the brain that are connected to each other. And they could be connected with a dirt road, they could be connected with a 1-lane tar road, or they can be connected with a highway. And either way, you will reach them. Correct? But the difference is going to be at the speed at which you reach them. Neuroscientists have been able to figure out at each age where the 5 areas of the brain should be measured. All right? So we use 8 internationally acclaimed assessment tools to collect data on those 5 areas of the brain. We take this data and put it into our proprietary report we call the cognitive map report. Okay, and what that does is gives us a complete picture, a baseline of each child. And we use that baseline, of course we give it to the parents because they're curious, okay, but really it is for our purposes to know how do we customize the training for each child. If a child goes to a tuition center, for example, then the tuition teacher is going to teach them math or whatever subject that they need help in. What we are doing is we don't teach a subject. What we are doing is preparing the brain so that when they go into school, they are able to learn any of the subjects better, right? Because in order to learn anything, they need to be able to process information visually. They need to hear what the teacher is saying. They need to be able to write it down. Correct? And they need to pay attention and focus. So all these things are needed. And of course today, no child can survive in school without some social and emotional connections, right? Because otherwise they'll be the outcast. Now through this training, we also are preparing them with all the cognitive skills because those things are important to succeed in life. Now, scientists have discovered that smart children then are lacking cognitive skills and are not successful in life. So while they were smart in school, right, they're not smart in life and not successful.